Oakley dokley, everyone. We're going to be doing some 15 by 600 by 6 4-ply Turf Master. I'm going to show you how to mount these bad boys for your lawnmower. Let's get started. Alright, so for starters, my personal preference is you put dry soap on the first bead. So we'll do that now. Just soap her up nice and soapy. Get this, it goes a little easier, and you start. Now obviously if you have the proper spoon tools for it, I do not, I just have big tools. So I'm going to make flatheads work. You're going to want to keep pressure on the back gear and mount backwards onto the tire. You'll save yourself some work that way. Then you're going to want to get to the other side. Now my personal preference is using wet soap because it's not as slick. And you're going to want to put your knees on there. If you're a big guy like me, good luck. Because it is awkward. And you're going to bar it on just like any other tire you would, kind of like a really big bike tire. It's a little bit harder. And you're going to keep your weight on each side as you go. And being mindful not to overstretch the bead and rip it. Because you do not want that to happen, obviously. It'll make a point that it will leak. And obviously, just like that, there's many ways to do it. This is the way I found works for me. Alright, so I'm going to use my Tire Service International air gauge to fill this up. And I'll be using the Viper Blaster from Tire Service International to seat that bead. Let's go. Well, okay, it took on its own, I guess. And you want to make sure to always wear your eye protection and earplugs. Sometimes it can be loud and it can throw the soap in your eyes, and you do not want that, obviously. Now, these are 4-ply with a max PSI of 30 PSI. And it's on the front end of a mower, so I'm going to run it about 23, and we'll give that a shot first. Just see how that works. And since I didn't have to blast it, I'm going to shoot this bad boy for you just for fun. Oh boy, that's always a good time. I will say, this thing is freaking sweet. And it's definitely perfect for stuff like this in cars. I mostly use it on log trucks, so it's fun. You know, to use it for other things too. And you know, there you have it. If you like this, hit that like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.